Hello everyone, this is Mountain RC and today I would like to show you this RC beast from Bezgar. So let's open it. This manual warranty. Whoa! Look at this side. Actually, it's extra wheels with tires. Man. Yo! This truck can reach maximum speed of 50 miles per hour, what is 80 kilometers per hour. So it's like as a real car. Here is our remote. Also in the package we have a set of 4 sand wheels, USB charger, some tools, extra springs for our shock, some extra parts, and also case for your batteries. So right now the most interesting part, what inside. Love these pins. Whoa, it's really high quality build, as you can see. Foil shocks, super smooth. There is a power button car. It's dangerous. Let's test it out outside. Finally we are outside, and actually we already tested out and it's crazy. I would say it's kind of dangerous, so if you're buying like kind of this RC car, be careful, because it's not just a, I don't know, regular just for beginners RC car. You need to have more skills to control this beast, and right now I will show you a couple videos with this. Whoa! As you could see, this car is really fast, and we even made some cracks on a shell, but we can replace it, so there is no problem. But mainly it's really, I would say that this toy for big guys, not for kids, and it worth money what you will spend. If you would like to get this beast, you can just use the link below. There is all my RC cars from Bezgar and other brands what I use in my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.